This Bostitch makes it easy for you to correctly install hardwood and bamboo flooring. An easy sight tongue guide helps you accurately drive staples into the pocket every time. Additionally, a non-marring cap ensures you won't scratch or mark your flooring material. And oil-free operation means you won't damage or stain your floor with accidental oil spills. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Designed for comfort and safety. At an easy-to-handle 3/2 pounds, this Bostitch can be used for long periods with minimum operator fatigue. The over-molded rubber grip offers increased comfort for all-day projects. And the quiet rear exhaust prevents blowback in your face. Additionally, a swivel air fitting keeps the stapler right where you want it, so you can move freely without getting tangled in the compressor hose. Number 2. Easily adjusts to your flooring size. Designed to work with almost any flooring size, this Bostitch features adjustable knobs for fastening flooring of varying thicknesses. Adjust between 5/16" and 7/16" for solid hardwood, or between 1/2 inch and 5/8 for engineered hardwood and bamboo applications. Number 3. Tool specifications. This Bostitch takes 18-gauge, 1 inch to 1/2 inch staples. A magazine capacity of 100 staples keeps you in operation for longer periods. And reloading is fast and easy. A real workhorse. This stapler has a driving power of 160 pounds between 70 and 120 psi. This Bostitch is backed by a manufacturer's 7-year limited warranty. Number 4. What's in the box? Bostitch 18-gauge engineered hardwood flooring stapler. Carrying case, 2 spare no-mar tips, an installation block, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.